How to light a pilot from a wall unit. Not all are the same, but some of them are very similar. Now, personally, each individual will have to decide from themselves which is the correct or incorrect way, or however they feel comfortable. Myself, when I turn mine off on the top, I also come down and turn it off on the bottom, which is right here. So step one in turning the pilot light on a wall gas unit, I reach over here, I turn it this way. So the cutoff is coming in line directly here. So now it's open. So gas should be coming up. I go up here and I look at this knob. Okay, and this knob has off and pilot. And when it's off, and the off is in the direction of the arrow, flush with the arrow, that means it's off. So when I turn the pilot on, I go over here and I turn this to the pilot, and then actually it was on a pilot. I do apologize. So it's on off now. So off is flush with off. So this is off. So if I turned this on and there was fire on this gas wall unit, that fire would go out. But down there on the bottom where the cutoff's at, I like to turn it off on the cutoff when I leave. So I come here now and I want to turn this pilot on. So I rotate this here to where pilot is flush with this. So this is step two. One is cut the gas on, make sure the gas is on down there. Two, turn the pilot to where it's flush with the arrow. So we do this. Step three, I go here and press down. And it's very difficult to hear here. However, when doing this, have to free up here just a sec. So when doing this, press down. Now, if the unit has been off for a long period of time, I may press down, let up, and try to bleed the air out of the system. So now, and if the unit's been off for a while, I will actually hold it on pilot and hold it and count to say 1 minute, hold it down. When I'm holding this down, I'm manually opening the regulator up. So then at this point, I go over here, this is the igniter. So then step one, turn the gas on. Step two, put it on pilot, hold it. Step three, hit the igniter. And it's okay. Now, one caveat here. If you get the pilot lit, which the pilot's lit, and it's been cold for a while, and you don't hold it down for enough, the pilot will go out and you will have to repeat that process. So now I let off the button and the pilot is still lit. So it either lights the thermocouple or the thermopile. So now I come over here and I rotate it to 0.1, and one can see the flame is ignited. So again, let's go through this. Step one, turn it on here at the gas line. Make sure it's straight up and down with the gas line. Step two, turn the knob to pilot, flush with your mark, wherever that may be on your particular unit. Step three is hold it down, press it, and hold it. And hold it for 30 seconds to a minute. Let it breathe, and especially if it hasn't been lit for a while, let it bleed the air. Press down. Continue to press down, and when you continue to press down, then you press your igniter button, which gives you your spark. So, but this has to be continued to held down. So when you get the spark, you will see the pilot lit, but although the pilot is lit, continue to hold this down for another 30 seconds or so that thermocouple or thermopile or whatever they call it gets good and hot, and it can send the signal back to the regulator to keep the gas valve open. Now, when you let this up, when this comes up and the pilot is still lit, then you can rotate it to 1, or if I wanted a bigger flame, I could rotate it to 2. I could rotate it to 3. But essentially all I needed is around 1 or 2, get a good nice blue flame. And once I get a nice blue flame, it should start to knock the temperature off. And this is the way you light up a wall unit and many gas logs. Now keep in mind, some of the igniters over here are just a button, a little skinny button. They look different, but this is the igniter on this particular one. This gives you your spark. This gives you your gas. So this is the way you light a pilot light on a wall unit on this particular brand. And many of them are similar. They're not all exact, but once you learn the concept, it's pretty straightforward. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. If you find any of these small nuggets of information useful, please share, like, and subscribe. And have a great day. Thank you.